How to sell items faster on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of menu. Then head towards the option of Marketplace. Click on it. Then click on the option of Sell. Now click on Create Listing. Different options will appear. Select the option of your choice. I want to sell items. After you select it, now you have to provide the details of the item that you want to sell. First, you can add the photo. Your gallery will open up. Now select the picture of the item that you want to sell. Then click on Done. Likewise, give a title. Then you can select the price. Likewise, select the category. Select the condition. If you want to add anything to your item, you can type in the description box. After you fill all this, scroll down. You can edit the location. Likewise, click on the option of More Details. Now you can provide more details about your product, size, top style, sleeve length, and occasion. Then head towards listing options. If you want to hide it from the friends, you can toggle on for it. Click on the option of List in more places. Check in for the option of Marketplace. Then you can join the suggested groups. In these groups as well, the item will be published. Once you check all the details, click on the option of Publish. Now your item is in the process to be published. Wait for a few seconds. Well, this way you can easily sell items faster on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to publish your item in the more places. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.